Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Vingspi and welcome back to another reaction video. So today, I've been searching YouTube for this video. So this is the very first video or the very first audition because someone suggested to look for this. So I searched his very first audition, but the video quality of this video is not that great. And also this is by Success Money. I'm not sure if you're gonna hear this. I'm just gonna adjust the volume of it so that we can all hear it. And also let's just do this. I'm sorry about the video quality of this, because I don't know. I've been searching. This is the best one. I'm gonna adjust the volume more. I cannot hear it. I think the judges are impressed. And also I heard this is from Filipinas Got Talent. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry about the video quality. He's really good ever since. I know that's Chris. I have watched it. He's good. He's really good ever since the first audition. And what I know, someone told me he won Filipinas Got Talent 2011.
Alam mo, effortless. Sabi nila po. Kaya kong
Nice. The unexpected. He's right. The judges and the what's that? The crowd is like,
Ibang-iba ang expectations namin na mangha kaming lahat. Kasi ito, napaka-effortless po.
it is indeed effortless.
Parang humiling ang audience ng isa pa. Ngayon, humiling ulit sila.
One more is like nice. Nice. Stop it. The game is over. He won. Damn, he's really good. Dude, the Philippines is fun. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and also everything is down below. You can check it yourself, the descriptions, the links, and everything. All right, follow me on Twitter. Okay, that's it. Bye.